Good afternoon to all the teachers and everyone who's joining us today here in this webinar. I'm Mark Tolentino and I'm here to present one component of our project that is still under development. So what I'm about to present to you today is basically a preview of what's to come for this component of our project. This component is called Census at School Philippines. So this is an online repository or platform for accessing data for statistics, learning, and teaching. This is based on a framework that is already existing in other countries like New Zealand, Japan, and the UK. So the main idea or goal behind Census at School Philippines is that we want to provide our students and teachers readily available and relatable data that they can use for learning and teaching statistics. This database is going to be built by and for students. So the students, through their teachers, will be able to access this website that you can see in the screen. And as a student, they will be able to answer a survey that is built into the website. This survey will contain questions that are very relatable to them. So that includes their hobbies, food, games, and there are even some interactive questions where they're asked to perform a task and they are timed uh, in doing that task. So as you can see in this screen, the website will have three types of accounts. There will be a teacher account, a student account, and a guest account. So let me begin with the guest account. So this is the easiest to explain. So you don't need to create an account as a guest. So, but they can access some features of the website like the details of the survey, and they can also get random samples from the database. Now, teachers, on the other hand, will need to register in the website and they'll be provided with the username and password once they've registered. And as teachers, they'll be able to manage their classes, to view the survey that's given to the students, of course, to access the data that is in the database. And we will also be uploading into the website some teaching guides that the teachers can use to teach statistics using the data sets that can be accessed through the database. These teaching guides are based on the lessons that are found in the DepEd curriculum for statistics and probability. So whether if you're teaching mean, median, mode, or maybe something advanced like hypothesis testing or parameter estimation, there will surely be a data set in this database that you can use to illustrate the lesson, to give an example, or to give to your students as practice or assessment. Now, students, as I've mentioned, they're going to be building the database. So they can take the survey through the same website after logging in through their teacher's account. And of course, they'll be able to access the data and they will also have worksheets that work in tandem with the teaching guides given to the teachers. Now, what makes this a very nice experience for the students is that first, they will always have access to this website at any time, even outside the classroom. And since they've answered the questions themselves, they'll be able to know how the questions look like and what kind of questions they can raise that they can answer using the lessons they've learned in statistics. And at any time, they can just go into the website, download a random sample, and practice doing statistics computations or even data visualization. So this is going to be how accessing the data will look like, as you can see in screen. So there's a year field, there will be sample size, and then you specify what variables in the database you'd like to access. The website will also feature a quick summary and a quick visualization of the data that you are downloading so that even before you download it, you already have an idea about how the data looks like. And you can decide right then and there if this fits the activity that you're planning to do with the data set, whether it's again to compute maybe the mean or to construct a histogram or a box plot or to do hypothesis testing on some parameters of the population. So as I've said, so this is the end of the preview for the Census at School Philippines website. So we expect this website to be fully operational in the next few months. So we would like, as early as now, to invite you to participate and have your students and classes participate in this effort so that together we can build a more vibrant and more relatable experience for learning and teaching statistics. So this is the end of my presentation. I would like to turn you over now to Dr. Sarmiento for the next part of our program. Thank you very much.